Did you know that Quora, the popular question and answer website, has 300 million active users? And that number is growing every day. But Quora is more than just a platform for sharing knowledge. It's a powerful tool for marketing your business. So, what's exactly Quora marketing? Well, my name is Rahul Chandra, and today I'm going to tell you all about Quora marketing. Simply put, it's using to Quora to promote your brand or product by answering questions related to your industry. When you answer a question in Quora, you have the opportunity to showcase your expertise and build trust with potential customer. With around 4 lakh topics on Quora right now, you are sure to find something worth talking about. Similar to Reddit, Quora relies on credit-based upvoting system. The more people that upvote your answer, the more exposure it gets. You can also use Quora Analytics to track how many people are viewing your answers and how many are clicking through your website. And if you want to take your Quora marketing to the next level, you can even use Quora ads to target specific audience with your content. But Quora isn't just a tool for promoting your business, it can also be a valuable resource for marketing research. By monitoring the questions people are asking about your industry, you can gain insight into what your potential customers are interested in and what their pain points are. And finally, Quora can great source of inspiration for content creation. By browsing the question related to your industry, you can find new topics to write about or create and content that resonate with your audience. So what are you looking to promote your business? Conduct a market research, create content. Quora can be a valuable tool in your marketing arsenal. Quora marketing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your brand, goodwill, and business as well. It's an investment in the future of your company, and it's worth taking the time to learn more about it. To know and learn more about Quora marketing, you can enroll in digital marketing course. You can take the Digital Marketing Foundation Masterclass to know more about it. The link will be in the description below. For more information, videos on digital marketing, do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.